like to give you a tip on how to install two telescopes side by side on a mount like this equatorial mount. As we know, the equatorial mount is one of the best mounts for astrophotography, and in lots of cases where people will need to install two telescopes using this dovetail and the both saddle, as we see in our case. Now the question is how to align a telescope in like this situation. So our tips goes like this. When you have this situation, you just go to the main controller, switch on your telescope, and as you're going to look at the screen, we're going to bypass the initial, what we call process, and press menu. In the menu, we're going to go for telescope setup, and in the telescope setup, we're going to go for what we call OTA orientation. When you install these telescopes, either you're going to face the telescope to the east or the west. In our case, we are facing it to the west. And so you go inside this menu and select west. And based on that, now if you're going to align the telescope, and you're going to go back to the alignment process, and we're going to press enter, and then it will request you to do the rest of the things, which is, for example, alignment of the mount, and then putting the dates and times and everything. Once you finish with that, you will see the telescope is ready to go for 2-star alignment. You press enter, it will select the first star, and you press enter also, and you'll see the telescope is going to move toward this particular star which we are looking, assuming that you put your telescope pointing to the north, and also it's just properly being set up for that location. Taking in consideration that this telescope installation was made in different direction, and this is what we specified in the hand controller, which made it very easy for you to really set up the telescope. Now in this orientation, definitely it's wrong, but if you are in night and the right time, it will be in the right direction, and it will become easy for you to align the telescope on equatorial mount, having double telescopes side by side on this setup.